found this kilo of Wagyu Tri Tip for only $25, but is it any good? First, let's remove all the fat, and then what we're going to do is salt brine it overnight. So just cover it entirely with salt, use a generous amount, and leave it uncovered in your fridge for 24 hours. So what's going to happen is the salt's going to draw out the moisture, then it's going to mix with the salt, creating a salty solution, and then it's going to go right back into the meat and marinate it all the way through. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways to prepare a steak. Alright, so now it's the next day, and I'm going to season it with garlic powder and some pepper. Now do the same thing to the other side. Once the grill is ready, put it over the direct heat just long enough to get grill marks on both sides, and then set it aside off the charcoal until it reaches a temperature of 135. And also baste it with melted butter. Alright, here it is. It was 135 degrees, then I let it rest for 10 minutes. Now let's see what it looks like inside. Some pretty nice marbling in there. Let's see how it tastes. Very, very delicious. Wow. It was a Wagyu Tri Tip, and I remember Tri Tip being really good. So I bought it, and yep, I'll be eating more of this for sure. Delicious Tri Tip Wagyu steaks. Delicious.